Good morning. Our today's lecture is dealing with the lysosomes. Lysosome, this is cell organelle found in all eukaryotic cells. It is derived from two words, that is lyso, that is lytic cell, having structure of degradation. So this cell is considered in process of degradation, and soma means body. All eukaryotic cells, that is plant cell and animal cell, having lysosome as a degradatory cell, while in bacteria these cells are absent, and the role of lysosomes are carried out by microsomes, which are found between plasma membrane and cell wall. The first lysosome is derived from Dewey in 1949 by the process of centrifugation. In process of centrifugation, he observed that some parts of the cells having centrifugation coefficient is between more than mitochondria and less than more than microsome and less than mitochondria, and he named these cells as lysosome. Then we first see what is the structure of lysosome. Basically, lysosome is formed by the plasma membrane structure having lipid bilayer, in which the hydrophilic head region is outside the cell and hydrophobic tail is inside the bilayer, while in second plasma membrane layer the hydrophilic region is inside the cell material and hydrophobic tail is in lipid bilayer, in which the transmembrane protein are isolated or scattered in this cell. The cellular material of lysosome is formed by number of hydrolytic enzymes. Hydrolytic enzymes, which mainly constitutes acid phosphatases. Acid phosphatases. The size of the cell is between 0.1 micrometer to 0.5 micron. The maximum size observed is lysosome is 1.2 micron. This is hydrolytic enzyme having pH 5 point. This is lipid bilayer. And these are transmembrane protein. Transmembrane protein. This is the structure of lysosome. How these lysosomes are formed? We know in eukaryotic cells there is nucleus. This is outer covering of nuclear core or nuclear cell, in which these are endoplasmic reticulum, on which the ribosomes are present. So this ear is called a rough endoplasmic ear. So ribosome having role to synthesize acid phosphatase, that is the material which having degradative property of lysosome, and these acid phosphatase are engulfed by lysosome material by formation of rupture of ear. By rupture of ear, the lysosome is formed, and this first formation of lysosome are called as primary lysosome. from which the number of lysosomes are carried formed. Next, in next lecture we see the polymorphism in lysosome, that is formation of lysosome, that the acid phosphatase enzymes, that is protein material, is formed by the ribosomes. This ribosome acid phosphatases are carried out to ER, and then ER, by rupture of ER, the primary lysosomes are formed. There are number of enzymes in acid phosphatases, proteases, which break down protein, that is digestion of protein, nucleases, that is digestion of nucleic acid, and phosphatases, that is digestion of all phosphoric molecule, that is microtubules. The lysosomes are also called as suicide bag. Why the lysosomes are called as suicide bag? Because we know the pH of lysosome is 5. When the cell membrane of lysosome will break, then acid phosphatase enzyme in the lysosome is spread in the cell material. The pH of is very acidic. The all structure and all organelle in the cell will ruptured and digested by this acid phosphatase. So these lysosomes are called as suicide bags. Next we see the polymorphism in lysosomes. What is meant by polymorphism? Formation of different mass, that is different forms, are called as polymorphism. There are 4 forms of lysosome. First, primary lysosome. Second, residual body. Third, digestive vacuoles. And fourth, autophagy. These forms are due to size of structure, and material in this lysosomal body. In diagram we see all structure. This is nuclear membrane, that is nucleus. First we see how the lysosomes are formed. These are the ribosomes. This is endoplasmic reticulum. This is Golgi complex. The lysosomes lysosomes are derived from this Golgi complex. This is first primary lysosome which formed by the rupture of Golgi complex, that is primary lysosomes. We know the process of phagocytosis and pinocytosis. What is that phagocytosis? When the cell ingests a solid material and digests, then this process is called as phagocytosis, that is digestion of solid material. Now what is pinocytosis? When the cell engulfs a liquid food material, then this process is called as pinocytosis. These are the primary lysosomes which are formed on the rupture of Golgi complex by having mannose-6-phosphate as a molecule to identify the lysosome. Then this is solid food material which is engulfed, which is not useful for the cell, which are engulfed by this cell. The primary lysosomes these are the primary lysosomes. Who digest this lysosome and form the residual body, that is second part of polymorphism in lysosome, and this residual body is defecated, that is thrown outside the cell, that is the process is called as defecation. That is exocytosis, in which digested food material is released out from the body. Then the process of pinocytosis. Likewise, phagocytosis. In pinocytosis also the food material is liquid form which is ingested by the cell. Then this food material are digested by the primary lysosomes, and these are also exocytosed by this is phagocytosis. And this is pinocytosis. That is, eating of solid food material is called as phagocytosis, or eating of liquid food material it is called as pinocytosis. Then we see the autophagy. This is primary lysosome is basic structure of lysosome, while the residual body, digestive vacuole or autophagy are the parts of the secondary lysosomes. Secondary lysosome. The secondary lysosome having three parts: the residual body, digestive vacuole and autophagy. Then fourth part is autophagy. What is meant by autophagy? Auto means self, phagy means degradation. Self-degradation. The cell organelle which are not useful or not essential for the cell are degraded by the lysosome. So when the microtubules or the mitochondria present in the cells are not useful or having no means in cell are digested by this lysosome. That is, when primary lysosomes are come contact in this mitochondrial autophagic material, then they are also exocytosed by these lysosomes. Exocytosis, or we also call it as defecation. That is defecation, we know this is done in amoeba and all unicellular protozoans having no cell organelle or no cell organ to digest the food material. This is polymorphism in lysosome. In this lecture we see what is lysosome. Lysosomes are the suicidal bags in cell organelle found in eukaryotic cell, that is animal cell and plant cell, having basic structure of plasma membrane, that is lipid bilayer, content of acid phosphatase liquid material having pH 5 and the structure of lysosome we also see. This is derived from the scientist Dewey in 1949 having different centrifugal coefficient rate. Then we see the polymorphism in lysosome, which having two types, major two types, that is primary lysosome and secondary lysosome. The secondary lysosome having three parts, that is digestive cycle, residual body and autophagy. And then we see what is primary lysosome, how they are derived from the endoplasmic reticulum by the use of ribosome, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex. Then what is the role of primary lysosome in having the structure, that is residual body, digestive vacuoles and autophagy. Thank you.